Good morning all, hope you're doing okay. We're going to look at the euro versus the dollar. We can see how we had the crossover, so that would be the euro USD buy signal. And what I'm going to do is that normally I overlay these currencies on top of each other, but what this does, this Excel, it just does blue, orange, and it can get quite confusing. If it's separated in different colours, it'd be fine, but when I add Aussie, it will just do another blue. So I'm just going to put on yen, and then we'll just add the currencies as we go. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so the yen is down here. So it ticked up. We kept that support, and euro did kind of rocket there. So that's that. The euro yen hasn't. It made a buy, but it was so long ago. There was the EEJ buy there, so all the way back in February, March, yeah. So that's a year ago. So it's done well since, and that's because of the crossover. All right, so let's take off euro, and we'll put on Aussie, and there you go. So that would indicate a little bit of risk off, because Aussie is quite a risky currency. We might even see a crossover here, which would be interesting, but we're very far away from crossing over. Let's take off Aussie, put on the pound, and pound was in free fall, and it's just like ticked up a little bit, but it's still pretty dramatic, and so we won't get a crossover by the looks of things, because they're buying yen and buying the pound, but it's just probably just a dead cat bounce on both of these, to be honest with you. It's negative, so we'd have to really be in positive territory in order to want to buy yen and pound. And there's the dollar. You know, it's quite strong out there. Take off the pound. Put on CAD, because CAD's been strong. So we are at minus 7,000 contracts. So we're close to getting into positive territory. And there's the CAD yen signal that we would have got back in March again. They really dumped the yen in March last year. Let's take off CAD, and then we'll put on Kiwi, and there's the Kiwi there. So negative, fairly sideways, and that's it, I guess. So maybe Swiss franc, maybe, and it's a bit like the Kiwi, it's a bit lethargic, negative, fairly sideways, not really dramatic. So maybe an eye on the euro, maybe. And here's the euro pound buy. God, euro, and we'll take off the Swiss and the dollar. So yeah, it's kind of annoying how it's done the same colours, but that's the euro pound buy signal there. So it should be going up, because pound weakness and euro strength. So I'll do the SLC video now, and this doesn't need to be a long video at all. And if you want me to send you a copy, just send me a message on Telegram, and I'll send this to your email, and that's it. So have a good day. Well, I'll speak to you soon for the SLC video.